Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to clean and lubricate my bike's chain and its drive. And you're going to see how I managed to turn this into this. And from this into this. So I'm taking chain cleaning brush. You can also use hard bristle toothbrush, but it comes with cost of your patience in cleaning. To degrease the chain, I'm using diesel in most frequently used spray cans in India, Colin. And for lubricating chain, I have taken 90 API gear oil, which can be available at your nearest petrol pumps. 5mm Allen key to open up the sari guard, and to open up the sprocket guard I have taken 8mm socket wrench. Without any delay, let's jump into the process. To clean the chain drive and the sprocket in a convenient manner, it's better to remove the sari guard and the sprocket guard. After 10 to 15 minutes letting the diesel to kick in, let's begin the cleaning. You can either keep the engine off and brush the chain, or to reduce the effort, you can engage the first gear and let the brush do its job. After brushing up the chain, make sure you turn off the engine to avoid any fatal accidents. After cleaning the chain, I would recommend cleaning the teeth of the sprocket to wipe off any dirt particles. To get better life of the chain, make sure you clean and lube chain at 600 to 700 kilometers. After cleaning the chain, you can witness how free chain has become from dirt and grease. Alright guys, that's it for today. You can also follow this procedure with any bike as raw materials are easily available in the market. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and be safe. Bye.